Hey everyone, Allison here. So I'm gonna try to go through all of my diamond paintings, the ones that I've not opened, and then the ones that I have opened, I'll just kind of show you those. Because I've got a lot of them. I have, I haven't looked at these. I just pre-opened, so it didn't take so much time because I've got 5 that I'm going to show you right now. So let's start with the one that has got the clear cover. I believe all of these come from Amazon. Don't quote me on that because I don't know. I've had them, some of them I've had for a really long time. And then others was like just before I moved to our house. Ooh, bump y'all, I'm so sorry. Okay, this is a 30 by 40. This is a duplicate. I've already got this one. So maybe I'll put this one in a giveaway. That's what it looks like. I'm not going to open up the drills just because since I'm going to do it in a giveaway. But that's what it looks like. The drill field looks good. There are 16 colors. Very sticky. Like I said, I'm not going to open them up. It comes with your basic kit, your green boat, your wax, some baggies, and your single placer. And then, let's see if you can see these colors. You got browns, reds, looks like some greens, or like kind of different shades of greens. Pretty, pretty. So it doesn't have the DMC codes, but it gives you the number for right here. The ledger's pretty good. I don't see any of them that would be a problem. I like that, and the drill field really is. It's really nice, and there's no training wheels, so that's awesome. Well, let's see. No, there's really no training wheels, so that's good. Alright, so this one will go into a potential giveaway because, like I said, I've already got that one. I don't know how I ended up with 2. This one was from Amazon. If I remember, I'll put the link down below in the description. So, alright, let's get this one out. Okay. As you can see, I love that. Now, I'm allergic to cats, so this is about the closest I can get to having a cat. Look at that. So cute. So it's only got the ledger on the one side. There are 23 colors. Again, no DMC. Those two might give a problem, the E and the F. The others don't look like they'd be a problem. Let's check. Oh yeah, that's sticky. Let me try to roll it the other way because it is not wanting to lay flat. There we go. He's so cute. So, like, all of them comes with your basic toolkit. We'll take these ones out and look at these. Just real quick, so we've still got 3 others to go through. Lots of yellows and browns, really pretty. Kind of the burnt orange. Just like a terracotta color. It's really pretty. Really dark brown. The white. That's a really pretty peach. It's looking yellow, but it's a really pretty peach. Alright. Oh, and then these. This is another really pretty peach. For some reason, it's not coming off peach. Wow. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, we'll set this to the side. Let's open this one. Yeah, these are all Amazon. This is... Like I said, if I remember, I'll look it up to see, like, which store I got it from, or the link to them. Did I say what size that was? That was a 30 by 40 as well. This one is a 30 by 40. Oh, wow. Okay, so you get your instructions if you need them, your drills, and look at this. Oh, look. Okay, we gotta open up this one, because this isn't just your basic. This has got something extra in here. I mean, it's got your basic. It's got your 3-placer, your single placer, your green boat, and then your wax. But look at these. These are actually really nice. Can't read it, but you know. Alright, awesome. That is really cool. Okay, let's look at the picture. Let me get the stuff out of my way. Okay, there we go. So we've got a vase with some flowers. There are 24 colors. That's going to be so pretty, isn't it? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Really, it's kind of a thick canvas. If we can't roll it to get it to lay flat. Super pretty. Alright, I'm not going to pull all of these out, just a couple of them. We'll see if it's in numerical order or not. These look like they're pretty decent bags too. Oh, it's got the DMC. Not bad. And they're not in numerical order. The drills look good though. Oh, look at this pretty. This is purple. Really pretty purple. Yeah, don't look too bad. Alright. Sweet. Okay. This one also comes with instructions if you need it. Ooh. This one is another 30 by 40. It's got 28 colors. Oh, there we go. No, it lays this way. Isn't that cute? Lots of purples. Lots and lots and lots of purples. See if I can get this in so you can see it without bumping y'all. I've been such a klutz today. Come on, focus. So pretty. I'm a little worried with the drill field for how dark it is. Definitely gonna have to use the light pad for this. It's got training wheels, but it's not too bad. At least it doesn't have like the black lines, you know, it doesn't have that. Oh, that is very sticky. Don't have to worry about that. That is really cute. I don't know. Okay, so your basic tool. I'm not going to open these, but see, it's got lots of different shades of blues and purples. Looks like it's got some reds in there. And just more different browns and purples. So, cool. Some of these I might put in a giveaway when I do another giveaway. So, I'm not going to open them completely. Alright, last one, because we're already 14 minutes in. Alright, this one is another 30 by 40. And more sunflowers. They're so pretty. And there are 28 colors. Give me my finger back. Very sticky. Very, 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 very sticky. Let's look at the ledger. They're not bad. They're pretty good. Let's Let's turn it this way so we can see different symbols on here. So it's got the training wheels. Like I said, training wheels don't bother me just as long as the drills cover them. But if the drills don't cover them, then it's like, I mean, you don't see them from afar, but you see them when you're up close. So it's more of just a pet peeve than it is anything. Alright, so which one was your favorite? Let's see. No, that goes here. I don't want to mix those up. There we go. And then the deer one. So which one was your guys' favorite? The deer with the flag, the first sunflower with the boss and the apple nut, the last sunflower, the kitty all reading, or the kitty that looks, I don't know, kind of like a space kitty kind of thing. I don't know. So which one was your guys' favorite? Mine, probably this one right here. I think that one was my favorite out of all of them. Super pretty. Okay, I'm going to let you guys go. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up or down. Up to you. And leave me a comment. I love reading them. I know I'm just going to call this part 1 because there are just so many of them. So it's just going to be a bunch of unboxing, a whole bunch of the diamond paintings that I got. If I remember, like I said, where they're at, I will post it down below or try to remember to post it down below. Anyhow, thank you for watching. I love you all, and don't forget to always smile. Bye-bye.